Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can insert a vertical text as a drawing or text box drawing into your drawings on LibreOffice Draw in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to your page or drawing here on LibreOffice Draw and select or click into it and select the select tool in the very top left corner. After that, right click into any of these drawing tools, for example the shape tool, and from that menu select vertical text instead of text box, so that you don't have to convert the horizontal text to vertical later. Through the properties you can insert a vertical text directly by selecting vertical text here on LibreOffice Draw. Position your text box with your left mouse, left click, hold your left mouse, drag that text box. And now if I zoom in, you will see that cursor here popping up, so we can start typing like ABC, for example, 1, 2, 3. And that's it. Now, if you like, you can rotate that text box in its properties in the top right corner, for example. But I'm going to leave it like that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.